Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what you should do before first start of your Electrolux Perfect Care 600 washing machine. So in the first step, make sure that the water supply is connected properly and it's open. In the next step, open the detergent row, and on the left side we have a chamber number 2, I can show it. Number 2, and you have to refill it with the 2 liters of water and 20 milliliters of detergent. Then close the door, turn on your device and set the program cotton. Now set the maximum temperature, so 90 degrees, and with the empty drum start the cycle. After this operation you can start using your Electrolux Perfect Care. That's it, thanks for watching, goodbye.